Hey everybody, it's Blake Beer Fan 2002 here. I got 2 packages in the mail. And this one's my Transformers Dual Masters. It could be my Transformers tape I ordered 2 weeks ago. I hope it's gonna be. First, I'm gonna open this one first. So let's get started. There we go. It's a lot easier for me to open this. Let me get the tape off. Holy crap. Let's check. I think it could be my Transformers tape. Oh, there we go. What? Oh, darn. I think I'll use scissors next time. Oh, here we go. Good. Here we go. I might have to get some scissors. I think I know what it is. There's tape. Next time, I'll try to get scissors. Ooh. Oh, I already know what this is. Oh, yes. Here. There we go. Oops. Piece of crap. Alright, here we go. Careful, don't pull the tape. The tape's right there. There's sticky tape. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's hard to open. It's hard to open when you're holding the camera. Oh, there we go. Here it is. There we go. There we go, got this open. And I was right, it is my Transformers tape. So here it is. The tape I got is Transformers Energon, Shockblast Unleash. Here's the front. Here's the side with the Hasbro Entertainment on it. Here's the other side, the top, and the back. And then it only contains 2 episodes, Shockblast Rampage and Open Fire, and another episode called Open Fire. Like, this is my first Transformers Energon to ever have on Paramount. I'm happy to have this for my Paramount VHS collection. Transformers, More Than Meets the Eye. I know that song. Running time is not rated, and it says 43 minutes. Here's the tape, and this is a Canadian copy. It's hard to read the print tape because it's kind of hard to read. It's kind of hard to tell what the print is. This is a Canadian copy. So that's it. And the next tape we're gonna open, it may be my Dual Masters tape. Oh, I think this will. I don't know what it is. I think it may be my Dual Masters tape. No. Well, I think that's all. That's all I'm gonna unbox today, so bye.